He's looking here and there. What shapes will he find and share? Round, round, rolling ball. Circle is its name, kids, say it with us all. Circle, 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 round like a clock that hangs up there. Circle, circle everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides so fair. All the same, that's a square. Square, square. Square. 4 neat corners, straight and fair. Window shape is called a